Got it. It's supposed to be a plug and play muffler. It's called a slip-on, not a grind it up and hack it to pieces. And ready, you ready, Mama?
Yeah.
There we go. What's going on, YouTube fam? Mary are again. Check out the wife's R3. All the stickers, I think, are done. Right? Are we done?
I think so.
Moto?
I think so.
We got a new thing on the windscreen. Isn't it gorgeous? I mean, just look at it. It's amazing. Okay, we had a minor F up right there, but it's what you get for crappy contact paper made in Japan. Everything's from Japan. All right, anyway, so we got the flush mounted turn signals. Stickers are done. The brake levers are done. We are going to do grips, I think. Green grips. Still got to do the mirrors. We got to do the rear sets. Listen, this is the most ignorant thing. Mrs. Moto's bike fell over the other night, and we didn't realize it. I didn't realize it until I was looking out the window the next morning, and their bike's just laying on the ground. And it broke the foot peg off. Twisted it and broke it off. But hardly any damage to the muffler or anything. It's amazing. So we got a whole new rear set. It's all green. We got to put that on there. Today, we're doing the slip-on exhaust. I already took off some of the shielding. There was two pieces of shielding on here, just connected with I think it was 3 bolts, and all that came off. So then we got down to the muffler. So we got the. Hopefully this fits. I haven't actually tried it, but it looks close. It looks pretty good. This is. Do we still have the package for this? A lot of these slip-on exhausts don't come with this little elbow that you need for some of these bikes, especially this R3. 2019 R3. This is the middle link, 36 to 39 millimeter skinny end, and 51 millimeter or to 2-inch large end. So, in case anyone's interested, 36 to 39 millimeters because it's adjustable. Oh, it says it right on there if I could read. And then the 2-inch other end. So, the muffler. This is a Chinese slip-on. Ain't nothing major. It's only a 300, so we're not going to go spending $600 on an exhaust or a 300. Not happening. They all look the same. We just ordered one. I forget what brand it was. What was? You remember the brand? Mm-hmm. We just ordered one, and it didn't come with any of the hardware to attach it. So instead of us getting another pack of hardware, we had to send the entire muffler back. And then we went with a different brand, obviously, but they all look the same. I swear they all get them from the same manufacturer. This one came with an adapter, I guess, if you will. But we don't need it because this pipe fits in just where we need it. But if you don't have this middle link, then this pipe coming out of the converter is straight out the side of the bike. So our muffler would be hanging like that if we stuck it on like this. You know what I mean? Let's get it off. Get to dig into my handy dandy box of tools. I'm like the guy on that, what's that one show with the dog? Blue's Clues. He's got his handy dandy notebook. I got my handy dandy box of tools, mama. All right, what are we doing here? Let's get this one off. Got hammers, I got chisels, tape measures. Oh, I just pulled something. Oh God, I'm dying. I'm dead. Oh God.
Breathe, Daddy. Breathe through it.
Oh my God. Is this what it's like to die? I'm back. So 15-30 seconds. I'm sure it's a millimeter, but I put 15-30 seconds on her. And a wrench on the back side. You're going to need like a crescent wrench on the back. Or an adjustable end wrench, if you want to get technical. Oh, it's got a lock nut on it. Yellow. Yeah. Probably. Yeah, but not tonight. Nope, I'm right in the middle of something. Sorry, bro. It'll have to be this weekend now. I can do it this weekend. Okay, call me back. Bye-bye. Uncle Michael needs a lawnmower picked up. All right, let's not take that off just yet. Let's take this bottom one off first. Almost like I had these tools set up to go, huh? Wait. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Got that clamp off. Oh. Okay. There it is, boys and girls. Anybody need a muffler? No, 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 no. Nope, nope. Get in the box. Get in the box. All right. So that just floats on there, so I'm hoping this will adjust enough to clamp it, but I don't know. Settle down, Mrs. Moto. Settle down. Someone watching is probably like, dude, you're not even doing it right.
Always.
There's such a faster way to do that. Are you an idiot? Go. Listen, if anyone knows any faster ways of doing anything that you see me do, feel free to chime in. Because I don't like wasting my day either. There we go. Nice protective sleeve so we don't damage the $30 muffler. Nah, it wasn't 30. It was like 50, but still. Okay. Alright, so we just got to get it in the right spot there. It's already looking good.
Mm-hmm. Are you supposed to put that sandwich in it? The black thing in the middle?
You mean put this thing one on each side now?
Why?
Because this has to tighten around the muffler. You know what I'm saying? If you split the difference here, then it doesn't tighten. It just flops around in there. Because this is tight now up here.
Okay.
But this is not tight.
I see.
Good looking out though, Mrs. Moto. Yeah. Oh, you suck. Yeah. All right, we're gonna take these two bolts off because now I can't get to the adjustment. Holy shit. Better to have all this off. Oh, we'll put that back on. That's terrible looking. All right. Okay, in case y'all are wondering, it does not fit. That clamp that came with the new mid pipe is not going to fit. So we're going to try to put the clamp that was on the OEM exhaust. All I did was bent this little clip because this clip fit into a little groove and there's nowhere for it to really fit on this mid pipe, so I just bent it out of the way. I haven't tried it yet. We're going to give it a try. That's impressive. Is this clamp bottoming out too? Is that the problem? That's
Looks
probably
like
the
it.
problem there too. It can't be. It's part of the old exhaust. Yeah, see what they did on the old exhaust. They have like a heat tape.
Is that what you're trying to pick out?
Yeah, they have a heat tape in here. Okay.
Yeah.
And I was hoping I could get it out, but it's just crumbling. Like, do your research before you go buying parts, dummy. See, that's closing. Look at that. Now, if we can just get a clamp that'll hold that tight, we'll be good. You know, I always wanted to be the guy. That's tight. I always wanted to be the guy on the YouTube channel that, like, knew what the hell he was doing. You know, Mama Bear? I wanted everyone to go, you know, I watch him because he gets it right first time. He knows what he's doing. You know what I mean? I want to be that guy. I bet you I can get this clamp to go more, but it would take some grindage.
Yeah.
Because what it's looking like is it's hitting on these, this tab. There's also...
It was hitting here.
No.
Yes, it was.
Were you serious?
Yeah.
Well, I can still grind that all flat and it'll give me an extra little bit.
Yeah.
All right, so the idea is, this is the OEM clamp. It doesn't let me tighten the mid pipe enough. Do I still have that bug on my eyeball? That bug went right in my eyeball. I'm gonna grind some of this flat surface down so that the clamp will tighten a little bit tighter. I only literally need like an 1/8 inch, so. All right. So, I ground that flat, and then I ground, well, the opposite sides because I can't hold the grinder the other way. So that should allow this whole thing to close. It's still not going tight enough. Yeah, it's hitting on those. It's hitting on those other flaps. Try this again for the 20th time. Thing is, you got to be on the end of it. You know what I mean? To clamp it down. Wait. We're on to something now, boys. What? Good God. Good God, man.
The other side, the other foot peg broke on the other side.
Oh shit.
What?
I had the ratchet in reverse. Like, no, I just got it on there. Not going anywhere now. Little fabrication. Grind the clamp a little bit. Okay, not for the crappy part. I don't have a spring puller. Yep, that one. Should have done this bottom one first. It suck. Ready?
Yep.
Yes. Oh, hallelujah. That muffler is not going anywhere. Oh my gosh. Whew. Put this back on here to hide the ugly bracket a little bit, or the ugly clamp.
Do you still have the plastic piece that goes in?
It's like, I think it's down in the basement. Yeah, I didn't throw it away. I just gotta remember where I put it.
I just want to see what it looks like.
That went there.
Put it back on.
That doesn't look bad, does it?
I like that.
And it hides the ugly clamp.
Arm stand.
All right, what do you think?
I like it.
All right. So this is with the decibel killer in it.
Loud noise, baby.
Already sounds better than the stock.
Yeah.
Got that new muffler Alright, now we'll take out the decibel killer.
It comes out.
Look at this thing. Look at this chintzy, tack welded. Terrible.
You can do better than that.
Yeah, I would have just welded it instead of just tacking it. And this is without the decibel killer. Listen to that. That's a B-cell poppage. Alright everyone, as usual, if you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, hit the thumbs up. I think it's the same as like. I mean, you can like it more than once, right? No? Alright, well, we'll catch you in the next one. Oh no, Ralphie! Look, you lost the part.